In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn white into any color in Affinity Photo. If you've ever wished the white areas in a logo, product photo, or illustration could instantly take on a different color, this method is for you. We're going to do it non-destructively using a simple HSL adjustment, which keeps your original image intact and makes fine-tuning easy. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. With the document ready, look to the Layers panel. At the bottom of that panel, click the Adjustments icon. From the list of adjustments, choose HSL Adjustment. This creates an adjustment layer above your image, so any changes you make are reversible. The HSL panel is where the magic happens. First, select the Picker, the eyedropper tool in the HSL panel. Click directly on a white area in your image. That click tells Affinity Photo which tonal range to target, so the adjustment focuses on those bright whites rather than the entire image. If your image has slightly different white areas, maybe some highlights are brighter than others, you can click again on another white spot to refine the target. Now, use the sliders to dial in the result. Start with Hue to choose the actual color you want. If you don't immediately see much change, increase saturation so the color becomes visible. Saturation controls how intense or vivid the color looks. Then use lightness to make that new color brighter or darker, keeping it believable with the rest of the image. A helpful workflow is to temporarily push saturation higher than you think you'll need so you can clearly see the effect. Then move the hue slider until you land on the perfect shade. After that, bring saturation back down to a natural level and balance it with lightness. Small, gradual moves usually produce the cleanest result and preserve detail in the highlights. Because you targeted the white range with the picker, Affinity Photo primarily shifts those white tones to your chosen color without affecting darker tones much. Midtones and shadows should remain largely untouched, which keeps depth and contrast intact. If you notice a slight color cast creeping into very light grays, gently reduce saturation or tweak lightness until it looks right. That's it. With an HSL adjustment layer and a single click of the picker, you can turn white into any color you like, quickly, cleanly, and non-destructively. Try a few hues to see what complements your image best, and enjoy the control this method gives you over those bright areas.